Hello, Vanessa. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and how Moontower Design Build stacks up to its competition. And in this video, we'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online can have huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the two things we're going to go over today are website content, including keywords, and backlinks. Now, content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you want it to be stuffed with keyword and keyword phrases that have to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at remodelers Austin, Texas, or remodeling contractor Austin, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will be the one that pops up. Now, taking a look at your site here, and after doing some research, I do love how your site is formatted. It's very clean, it's very professional, very well organized. Lots of calls to action like these request consultations, and lots of internal linking as well. So in that regard, you have the pictures thrown in here. I believe you have some testimonials. Yeah, there's one here. So again, great layout and great formatting for the website. And again, you would want to also have some back service pages where it actually details out the type of services that you offer. You have the process one here, which is good to have, but also, for doing the things like, remodeling and things of that nature. That could be very key to making sure that you rank for those. So one thing that you want to do for sure is try to shoot for that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the front page at the very least, because that again will allow your homepage to rank for the particular type of customer that you're searching for. And typically we suggest shooting for something like one keyword phrase per 100 to 150 words of content. And I'll actually go into the keywords a little bit deeper here in just a moment. Otherwise, the website itself, it's a very good looking website, very well structured. Just could use a few tweaks here and there to make it a little bit more user friendly and a little bit more authoritative. Now, the next thing I want to go over is something called backlinks. And backlinks work in tandem with your keywords, and that by those two working together, that's what actually propels you up in the rankings as far as Google is concerned. Now, for backlinks, you can kind of think of it as like a popularity contest, because Google judges you by how many websites are pointing back at you. And they also take a look at the credibility of those websites, how closely related they are to the services or industry that you're in. So you're going to get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that's related to, for example, a commercial painter's blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services versus like your local Domino's pizza, for example. Now, a tool we use to measure backlinks as well as keywords and overall site health is called Ahrefs. Went ahead and plugged in your home page here. You do have some activity as far as referring domains, which is just other websites pointing back to you. So you have 85 of those pointing back to you 196 times. I am showing that you have 0 for your organic keywords and no organic traffic, which struck me as a little odd because you do have a very nicely built out website and there are keywords tossed in there. Granted, it's not, at the 1,500 to 2,000, but you should still be pulling for some of those, even if you're not ranking on the first or third or whatever page. So I did a little bit of searching. And when I got to the bottom of your homepage, and it's actually at the bottom of all of your pages, is this chunk text right here. This is all keywords, and Google recognizes that. So if you take anything from this video, please go in and delete this section of text down here, because what Google is doing is they are penalizing you for keyword stuffing. And they are basically saying, we're not going to let you rank for these keywords because we know what you're doing and we don't condone that activity. So that would be my top suggestion out of everything, is just go in, delete this off of, I don't know if it's a footer or what, it's across all of your pages. So none of your pages are getting any kind of keyword rankings. So again, anything else, do this so that your website can at least start having a little bit of traffic, and then you can worry about the backlinks and stuff like that as time goes on. I did want to show you one of your competitors, just what they're doing. They have, this is CGNS Design Build. They have over 3,000 backlinks from 515 domains. They're targeting 514 keywords, and they're getting an organic traffic of about 600, a little over 600. This is on a per month basis. So as you can imagine, if you're even able to convert a handful of those, of that 600, into paying customers, you're going to see your revenue just skyrocket by ranking for that. So thank you so much again for watching. If you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss it further, please do give us a call. Our number is 210-865-0718, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day.